Hi guys, Jack here from Park Place. It's time for another episode of Ask the Engineer. Joining me is Solutions Architect, Brandon Martin. Brandon, how's it going?
It's going good, Jack. Happy to be here.
It's great to hear and no problem at all. Brandon, today's question is regarding network hardware support. Many of our customers and prospects are spending a lot on network support. Although they love the savings they get with a third party, they are unsure about what devices make sense for third-party maintenance and which are good candidates to remain with OEM support. What are the key factors they should consider?
Yeah, it's a very good question, very pressing question that we talk with a lot of customers about every day. So when we're looking at moving anything away from an OEM or a manufacturer over to a third party to reduce costs, there are several factors we need to look at to not put our customers at risk and save them some money and increase support. So we'll take Cisco, for example, obviously in the networking space, that's the main player. So in the Cisco world, we look at three main factors. First, where is that device in the customer's environment? Is it their core data center? Is it connecting them to their cloud? Is it connecting them to remote sites? Or is it in a remote warehouse, say in the middle of nowhere, collecting dust? The second factor is where is it in the Cisco milestone or Cisco lifecycle process? So that's broken out into three categories. So first of which is end of software. Is it getting any iOS updates? End of vulnerability. Is it getting patches and updates on the security side? And then LDOS, is Cisco even going to bother with support, right? The third factor that we look at is publicly accessible software, sticking to the software piece. So can you get access to the software with or without a contract? That's key.
And you mentioned software there. Are there particular equipment models from Cisco concerning the software updates and patches?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Cisco 2960s up through the Cisco 4500s in that edge category make their software publicly accessible with or without a SmartNet contract. And then also switching to the server side in the Cisco realm, we look at UCS where the patches, updates, firmware updates, all that is publicly accessible as well with or without a SmartNet contract. So Cisco could be charging you an exorbitant amount for access to those patches and updates when you could also get them for free and save money with a third party like Park Place on the hardware break fix side.
Interesting. Plenty of great content there, Brandon. Really appreciate you sharing your insight, and certainly sure it will help those who are managing network hardware support, particularly where Cisco is concerned. If anyone has any follow-up questions or something new to ask our engineers, you can do so by reaching out to us or commenting below this post. In the meantime, we'll see you soon on Ask the Engineer.